Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my son coiling hair. So guys, these are the products I'll be using. So you can see they are from Cantu Care for Kids. This product is specially made for kids. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the coiling cream, and I also have this oil from, I also have another coiling cream. That one is from Coiling Case. So guys, these are the products that I use basically like anytime we are having a wash day. So guys, right now I'm starting off by applying the conditioner onto his hair. I've already washed the hair yesterday with the shampoo, and yeah, I'm just gonna take a generous amount of the conditioner and apply it onto this hair.
Elle dit quoi? Pourquoi tu veux pas? Tu veux quoi exactement? Toi, tu veux quoi exactement en fait? Tu veux quoi? Pause là.
So guys, it was really strong. So this is what the hair looks like after applying the conditioner. Right now I'm just gonna take into the bathroom to wash it off. So guys, before I apply the coiling cream, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it with water. So guys, this is the coiling cream that I want to use, the one that I showed you guys before, and yeah, it's from Canton. Guys, I love that cream so much. So I'm just gonna take generous amount again, and I just apply it to the hair. So guys, don't mind the way I'm applying the hair, applying the cream, sorry. So I'm a little bit in haste. I'm just gonna be like fast with the applying because I don't want him to start crying. You know how difficult it is to do kids hair. You know, they are very difficult to deal with. So I'm just gonna be very fast with whatever I want to do with his hair. So right now I'm just go ahead and brush the hair. If there's any part that was not with the tangled, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hair. And also I'll be working along with my fingers. I'm just gonna run my finger through the hair in to get that perfect defined curl that we are looking for. So guys, this is what I will be doing all over or through the hair. Guys, this is what I will be doing. I'll be using my hand a lot. I want the coils to be separated. I want the coil to be well, you know, defined. So I'm just using my head, running my finger through it, and yeah. So guys, this is the final look. This is what we got. This is the result, and you see the core is well defined, and they're shining. That's the work of that Cantu calling cream that I show you guys. That cream is so lovely. I love it so much. Like here right now, the hair is like 80% dried. You can see the way they shine, the moisture and everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you do, give us a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You fell down. T'as tombé? T'as tombé où?
Oui, il a fait.
Où t'as tombé? Oh la pauvre.
Maria.
Oh.
Ya.
Ça m'a-
Ya, ya, ya.